Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is a bacon BLT. Now I know a BLT is already bacon, lettuce, and tomato, but this is going to be a keto-friendly, bread-free version of a BLT by making the bacon as the bread. Yes, you heard me right. So let's make our bacon bread first because the inside is pretty straightforward. So I'm gonna take some bacon and what we're going to do is build a bread lattice with it. So you're going to take your thin piece of bacon, and what I like to do is I like to get, of course, sugar-free bacon, but I wanna get the center cut because it's just a good cut to make any kind of lattice. It's not too much fat, not too much meat, and it is also, you wanna make sure that it is thin. You don't want it to be too thick. Now, there's nothing wrong with using thick cut bacon, but it's just a little bit different when it cooks in the air fryer. So I'm gonna take my strips of bacon and I'm gonna do 4 strips long ways and 4 strips this way as well. I'm just gonna separate all of my bacon pieces first. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below and also like this video. So I have my 4 pieces. I'm gonna lie them right next to each other. And then you're gonna take your other piece of bacon and lattice it in between. So that means lift these 2, put this one down like this, and then we're gonna close it up, and we're gonna do this for all of the bacon. So now we're gonna do it the opposite way. So it's gonna go on top here, lift this one, and lift the last one. And as you can see, we're forming a lattice. And yes, this is a lot of bacon, but this is a good, high protein lunch that you can make. And if you're someone like me that maybe only eats 1 or 2 meals a day rather than 3 full meals a day, this is really, really good and kind of a great, fun alternative to a regular sandwich. This is definitely a keto-friendly recipe because we're gonna be using a lot of bacon. You could also do this with turkey bacon if you want. It doesn't have to be regular bacon, but I just prefer regular pork bacon. I'm now going to cut off my excess, and yes, I know I used long pieces, but that way I'm not worried about the actual size of the bread. These do not go to waste. I cut them up later and I can put them into, some scrambled eggs or just have them as bacon bits for a salad or anything I like to add on top. So nothing here goes to waste. We're ready to cook our bacon in the air fryer. I'm going to carefully place this bacon lattice in my air fryer, and we're gonna cook it at 380 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. I'm gonna carefully lift it up with the help of my spatula, place it into the air fryer tray. We're gonna make sure that it is completely spread out. And if you have an air fryer that has 2 trays, you could cook both sides of the bread at the same time. You could also just cook one and cut it in half if you don't wanna use 2 whole pieces of bread. But since my air fryer tray is kind of small, I'm gonna do this twice. So again, 380 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. Our bacon is finished, and when it's done, it's gonna look beautiful like this. Let's prepare our filling for the BLT. So I have the B part of the BLT done. I would like to put some avocado, so I'm gonna take half of an avocado. Let's scoop it out. And we're just going to thinly slice our avocado. I'm also gonna thinly slice some tomato. Let's build our sandwich. So I have the bacon lattice. I'm gonna take some mayo. I'm gonna put it onto the bottom piece of the bacon. Then I'm gonna take my green leaf lettuce. I'm gonna put the lettuce right on top. Then we're going to put on our tomato. Lay out our avocado. We're gonna take a little bit of sea salt, some flaky sea salt, and put that on top. A little bit of black pepper. And then we're going to take our top piece of the bacon and put it right on top. And there you have it, an easy bacon BLT with the bacon bread. And it is just, my mouth is watering. I cannot wait to eat this. Let's do a little cross section right here. Take a look at that. High protein, absolutely no bread, super, super delicious. Can't wait for you guys to try this one. Cheers. I mean, there is nothing complicated about this recipe. It is a BLT, but you get just pure bacon with that crispy lattice outside. Something fun and different if you're on a low carb, keto friendly diet. I can't wait for you guys to try this one. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Also hit that notification bell to never miss a tasty upload. Till next time.